Let's do the math behind getting monetized on YouTube as a new creator, and I'll show that it's possible to make around $100 per month. To get monetized with ads, you need two things. One is 1,000 subscribers, and two is either 10 million shorts views in the past 90 days or 4,000 watch time hours for long-form videos in the past year. Let's ignore shorts. They don't make as much money, and I tried them in 2025 and thought the distribution wasn't as high as I was expecting. We need 4,000 watch time hours per year. That is 240,000 minutes per year. Let's pretend that we make 48 videos in the year. Maybe we miss a few weeks because we're sick or we go on vacation. Each one of those 48 videos needs to have 5,000 watch minutes. Let's say that our videos are 8 minutes long. That's the requirement for mid-roll ads. And let's say that 5% of viewers get to the halfway mark. The other 95% of people, let's just ignore. Let's say they exit out almost immediately. That means each view is around 24 seconds on average. Now, 24 seconds is actually pretty good. My last video had around 43 seconds, but you have to keep in mind that was only a 2-minute long video, so most people actually wanted to stay to the end. Each video needs to get 5,000 minutes of watch time, and we're averaging around 0.4 minutes per view. That means we need each video to have around 12.5k views to meet the goal. It's possible to tune these numbers to make things a bit easier. Maybe we make 2 videos per week instead of 1. Maybe our videos are a little bit longer than 8 minutes and that helps out. But for now, let's just say that we need 12.5k views per week. And let's pretend that our RPMs are $2 per 1,000 views. That's on the conservative side, but it depends on our user demographics and the type of content that we're making, so I don't think we can tune it too much. That would mean our 12.5k views would net out to around $25 per video, which is $100 per month, or $1,200 per year. Obviously, as the channel grows, the numbers will go up, although I still kind of think it's low ROI. To me, YouTube is just a hobby. Please like and subscribe.